So hello guys, welcome. It's been a long time since I've uploaded anything on Lazy Learner. So first of all, welcome. And I think with the screen you can see that it's all about ChatGPT, and ChatGPT has made everyone more lazy. But as we should keep on learning, so I think it's more relevant to make videos on my channel Lazy Learner. That too with ChatGPT brings in more relevance. So let's start with a simple hi. So what I'm planning here is that we will try to make simple projects out of ChatGPT, that too in a technology which is completely new to me as well as you guys if you're following me. So I have some projects in my mind, but the technology, the program, basically the coding language which I will be using, I have no idea. So I will be moving forward this. Let's first try to get most out of ChatGPT by asking the questions how we want it and how should we take it forward. So let's give it a very good prompt. Can you me making a PDF reader Django question mark, and I want you to so as I think this should give us some, yeah, install Django, get started, you'll install Django. So let's go step by step. First it's asking us, first three steps are just to install, create an app. Then there's a view function, as a view is a Python function that makes a web request and returns a web response. So basically it could be an HTML page. You'll need to define a view function that will handle. Okay, so it will return a HTML page. As you see, PDF reader.html, and we are passing in the file. And then in fifth point we have created a URL pattern. In order to use this function, you'll need to define a URL. Okay, oh, I think this is the API call, URLs, and create a template. Next you'll need to create a template that will display the PDF file. Okay, so this file shows the PDF file. You can do this by creating a new file called PDF. Yeah, apps template. Okay, this template uses the embed tag to display the PDF file in the browser. Okay, so we will directly open it in the browser. That's good. Save the media file. Finally, you will need to configure your Django player to serve the PDF files as media files. You can do this by editing the settings.py file in the. Okay, so I think we have a good idea of what needs to be done, and let's do one more thing to add it, to make it more interesting. Can you make HTML page which takes PDF file attachment and reads outputs just the tables in the PDF? It's taking a little time. I think this is a hard request. I can certainly do that. I guess it's taking time. You can look at my old history. I've been playing around, reviewing some agreement tips. I'm sure this must be from some random agreement which I must have signed while creating a new account somewhere. PDF table extractor is the HTML document. jQuery. And to be honest, I don't know much about JavaScript as well, so it'll be as new as Django. Okay, so we have a function called extract tables, which is a JavaScript code which will get triggered when the button is clicked. And then in this we are basically reading everything, get tables from which data. That's a huge function. That's it. Implement table extraction algorithm. Where is the table extraction algorithm? The table extract algorithm. The function. We need to be particular. You're correct. The get table function is where the table extraction. We need to implement a table extraction algorithm. Okay, so it has not given us any algorithm, just told us once you have identified table region, you could use OC optical characterization. Can you create an algorithm for us? Deep processing. However, I can give you an outline, simple algorithm that you can use as a starting point. Thresholding, morphological operations, control, detection, table recognition, selection. Here's skeleton implementation of the tables. Hide the skeleton. Now I think we'll need to know what is thresholding, so I have no idea what is thresholding. Convert the image to grayscale. Apply morphological operations to remove noise and fill in gaps. Can you explain thresholding and give me code? It has given us 5 different things which we need to put in the function. Thresholding is technique to convert a grayscale image into a binary image where each pixel is either black or white. The idea is to use a threshold to decide whether the pixel should be okay. Here's an example Python code. Now it's showing Python code to apply global thresholding, but this doesn't go with the function, JavaScript function, right? So we need to be calling it separately. I think we have lost track. Let's go back to our original version of PDF in Django. So now you can see it has done pip install by PDF to Django. So that's the only thing which is a little bit off track about ChatGPT because if you look at this, pip install Django, Django admin, Python manage. These steps are very good. The way it has explained and given us all the 7 points, it's very good. But when we go and ask it again, it has completely changed. I know it could be a library which can be downloaded, but if a layman is doing it, what is it? It should be just pip install Django. But I think it will install some library as well as Django. So I'm just trying to help out the person who is completely new to coding. They should know what it is. Replace example or PDF the name of your PDF. Yeah, I think this is a good starting point. I think I'll leave it here till then. I know we can further go into this because it went to threshold and something like that. I didn't expect it to come. Anyways, in the coming videos we will go more deeper, and I think I'll have to ask this question again and again to PDF, not PDF, to ChatGPT to create some PDF reader, and let's see how successful we are. Stay tuned, subscribe to Lazy Learner. We will make sure, it's not we, it's just me. I will make sure that videos get more and more into coding, but it will be just ChatGPT now because we are trying to be as lazy as possible. Please subscribe.